We just need to put a little glue on this one. You don't want to put it on too thick. Now we got to figure out how we're going to hold this on there, I guess. I knew this tubing would come in handy. Aren't I glad I'm using gloves, because I remembered I put glue on there and then I forgot I put glue on there. I've got one hand free because I've got to run this light. Okay, seems like I've got the one side. Do a little bit of UV on the other side. Since this thing is so thick. You saw, got a little piece, well, you can clean it up yourself. But that's it. I'll be darned. Isn't that something? This BONDIC is the cat's meow.